Lead generation has changed a lot in recent years, but it remains a critical part of building business and building relationships to help generate qualified leads and ultimately close deals. Lead generation is useful for all types of businesses, regardless of your size. Now, lead generation can also be appropriate for certain industries for high involvement purchases, where consumers are less likely to purchase immediately on a website and might need some nurturing. In a nutshell, lead generation is the process of attracting prospects to your business and increasing their interest through nurturing, all with the end goal of converting them into a customer. When a stranger initiates a relationship with you by showing an organic interest in your business, the transition from stranger to customer is much more natural. Now, lead generation falls within the second stage of the inbound marketing methodology. It occurs after you've attracted an audience and are ready to convert those visitors into leads for your sales team. Now, in the modern marketplace, both B2B and B2C consumers are overwhelmed by people vying for their attention online. There's a lot of noise for you as a business to cut through. Customers have become very good at blocking out approaches and messages that don't resonate with them or aren't well tailored to their needs, challenges, or opportunities. So in the world of lead generation, a reliance on one or two channels to blast a prospect list and follow up with a phone call is the approach of yesterday. Embracing lead generation is critical for all B2B businesses or any B2C business that offers a considered high involvement purchase. Now, a solid lead generation process that builds warm, well-qualified leads can also help businesses' morale and efficiency. A good lead generation process can help your sales team spend more time selling and less time on prospecting and admin work. Additionally, although the lead generation process is likely to involve multiple departments in your company, it often starts with marketing. If the marketing team can be seen to be working collaboratively with sales to win more customers, then it's visible that marketing is really helping the company grow. This can help with the perception of marketing no longer being seen as a cost center, but as a valuable part of the company that helps make money. Now, there are a number of key advantages to lead generation. In particular, lead generation can improve content marketing, content relevancy, and of course, revenue. Both B2C and B2B companies need lead generation to identify prospects and convert them into customers. B2B lead generation helps companies target smaller audiences and manage longer sales funnels, where B2C lead generation helps build brand loyalty and create emotional connections. Lead generation also builds trust, visibility, and credibility in your business, specifically to the sorts of people who might be interested in your service or products. They help you build traffic with high-quality prospects so you can convert them into sales.